Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Donna at Face Paints For You, and on Thursday, as it was Halloween, I had two clown requests. It Pennywise Clown that I did in my last video, so if you're interested in that, please go check it out. And today I'll be doing Crying Rainbow Clown. So if you'd like to see how I do this, please keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, I loaded my smoothie blender from the face painting shop with my Maroon White Star Blend and covered her whole face. I do like to use star blends, but of course you can use just normal face paint and a sponge. As you can see, I did speed up the video, so at least you didn't have to watch the whole process, as all the steps are quite easy. Now this step is completely optional, but I grabbed my James Charles palette and with a makeup brush I started covering her eyelid with a black eyeshadow. So the only reason why I started off with a black was because she just wanted a black eyeshadow, but she did change her mind and she did want it to have a purple blend. So I would recommend to start first with a purple and then towards the corner of the eyes and maybe into the crease, or at least at the bottom of the eyelid, blend out a black, a bit like I did with the Pennywise video. If you've seen it, I would first start with the red and then blend in the black. As unfortunately she changed her mind after I already put the black eyeshadow down, I started blending in the purple on top of the black, and again I did exactly the same under her waterline. You will see me blend in a little bit of magenta too, as I just felt as if her eyes were a bit too dark. And then to brighten the inner corners of the eyes, I do go in with a metallic, glittery purple. And I do go back in with my white star blend just to cover up the eyeshadow excess that fell on her cheeks. Then I loaded my large filbert brush from the face painting shop with a split cake that had magenta and purple and used it as lipstick. So I kept the purple on the outside of the lips and the magenta on the inside. And by doing it this way, it gave it that natural blend from darker to lighter. And as she already has nice big lips, I didn't need to make them any bigger, but I did slightly extend the corners slightly. Then quickly just sprayed some glitter before the paint dried. Now this is my favourite part, and of course you can use any colours you want, but I used neon colours as I wanted it to be nice and bright. So with the same filbert brush from the face painting shop, I started loading the paint with more water than I normally would, as I wanted it to drip naturally so it would look more realistic, but not too wet of course, because I did want the colours to stand out. So what I did is first I loaded it up with a lot of paint, dragged it down from under her eyes, curved it slightly round and tried to mimic a real tear. And as I got to the bottom of the tear, I did turn my brush round and go more on its point so it would be a lot thinner, and I did this with each colour. Then I put the brush inside some clean water, and right at the top of each colour under her eye I would put a drop or two of water so it would come down her cheek just like a real teardrop, so it would look more realistic. Then I quickly sprayed some glitter on it before the paint dried. Then again with the same filbert brush, I loaded it with a light blue neon and just did a small circle on the nose. Then I loaded my Low Cornell round brush number 4 with Black Diamond Effects and outlined the nose and did two small triangle shapes on top of the eyebrows and then outlined the lips. Then with the eyeshadow brush, I started blending in some black eyeshadow in the corners of the lips and blended it out slightly. This is always optional of course, but I just think it tied the whole look together, mainly because of the smoky eyes we did. And with what was left on the eyeshadow brush, I quickly just went round the nose and the two triangles on top of the eyebrows. You could always do slight contouring around the face just to give the clown a bit more character. And this is how I did my spooky crying rainbow clown. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.